Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.2 question number first part, first, second and third. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. Firstly I want to describe about polynomial. How you can find the value of given polynomial. You can find the value of given polynomial very easily. It is very easy. You can solve your question by two methods. First, remainder theorem. Second, factor theorem. We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. It is clear. Px means dividend, gx means divisor, qx means quotient, rx means remainder. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your question very easily. But you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about my words? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.2. Question first. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. In first question x equal to 0. In second question x equal to minus 1. In third question x equal to 2. It is clear? Here 5x minus 4x square plus 3 is given polynomial. You find its value. In first question x equal to 0, in second question x equal to minus 1, in third question x equal to 2. It means you put the value of x in given polynomial. In this way you can find your answer. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. You can solve very easily. Clear? See the first solution. Let Px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, where x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0. It means you put the value of x equal to 0 in given polynomial. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. P0 equal to 5 multiply 0 minus 4 multiply 0 square plus 3. It is clear? Put x equal to 0 in given polynomial. It is clear? P0 equal to 0 minus 4 multiply 0 plus 3. P0 equal to 0 minus 0 plus 3 equal to 3. Answer. Your answer is 3. You put x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0. 5 multiply 0 minus 4 multiply 0 square. X means 0. Clear? Plus 3. It become 5 multiply 0 become 0. Minus 4 multiply 0 multiply 0 become 0. 4 multiply 0 plus 3. 4 multiply 0 become 0. Here 0 plus 3. 0 minus 0 plus 3 become 3. It means your answer is 3. It means you find the value of given polynomial is 3, where x equal to 0. It is clear? It is easy? Very good. Next, solution second. Let px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, where x equal to 0. In next question, let px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, where x equal to 1 minus 1. In second question, x equal to minus 1. In first question, x equal to 0. Clear? Now p minus 1 equal to 5 multiply minus 1 minus 4 multiply minus 1 whole square plus 3. Put x equal to minus 1 in given polynomial. In given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it. Put x equal to minus 1 in given polynomial. Here you put x equal to 0 in given polynomial. Clear? Given polynomial is px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Here given polynomial is px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Clear? Now p minus 1 equal to minus 5 minus 4 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1. Clear? Plus 3. p minus 1 equal to minus 5 minus plus 4 plus 3. Minus 1 multiply minus 1, it become plus 1. Plus 1 multiply 4, it become plus 4. Clear? You can write it as p minus 1 equal to minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Clear? Minus 5 minus 4, it become p minus 1 equal to minus 9 plus 3, it become minus 6. Answer. Your answer is minus 6. Clear? You put the value of x equal to minus 1 in given polynomial. Here x, the value of x is minus 1. Here the value of x square is minus 1 square. Minus 1 multiply 5, it become minus 5. Here minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply 4, it become plus 4. Minus plus become minus plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4, it become minus 9 plus 3. You subtract it, you find minus 6. It is clear? No confusion about it. You find your second answer. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy. Next, third solution. Let px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, where x equal to 2. Given polynomial is px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, where x equal to 2. Clear? It means you put the value of x equal to 2 in given polynomial. Clear? Now p2 equal to 5 multiply 2 minus 4 multiply 2 multiply 2 plus 3. Put x equal to 2 in given polynomial. Given polynomial. Now you can write 5 to the 10 minus 4 multiply 2 to the 4 plus 3. You can write it P2 equal to 10 minus 16 plus 3. You can write it. You can write it as 10 13 minus 16 equal to minus 3. Answer. Your answer is minus 3. Px equal to minus 3 is your answer. You find your answer very easily. All is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here you put x equal to 2 in given polynomial. Here 5 multiply 2. The value of x is 2. Here minus 4 multiply. X square means 2 multiply 2 plus 3. It become 5 2 is 10. It become 2 2 is 4. 4 multiply 4 plus 3. It become 4 4 is 16 plus 3. It 10. 10 3. It become 13 minus 16. You subtract it, you find minus 3. It is your answer. You find your answer. Clear? In this way you can solve any question. You can find the value of any polynomial by the help of this solution. Solution is clear? No confusion about it? It is easy? Very good. Okay.